Hello viewers, welcome back to AutoCAD modeling. Today we are going to design Solidworks model Mania 2020 phase 1. This is our today's drawing. For creating this model on Solidworks, we have to take help from this 2D picture. We will start our today's drawing by creating this cylinder. Viewers, we are observing a hole here. This is not a hole, this is the hole inside the hole. For creating this hole inside the hole, we have to take help from the hole wizard command of Solidworks. So let's get started our today's drawing. So firstly go on the Solidworks and click on the file and select this new option. Okay. Firstly, choose the MMGS unit here. You can also improve your image quality from settings. Go on the document properties and click here. Okay, so firstly we will choose the front plane. We will choose top plane here. Okay, now create 3 circles here. Now it's time to give the dimension of 3 circle. The outer circle, this is the red circle which has been given on our 2D picture. It will be 70 millimeter of diameter. So make the dimension here. It will be 70 millimeter of diameter. The inner circle, this inner circle diameter is 22 and the inner circle diameter is 16 millimeter and the outer circle diameter is 22 millimeter. Select here and make it to 22 millimeter diameter, and the inner circle diameter will be 16 millimeter. Okay. Select this circle and click here for construction. So firstly, make a center line here, from here, and make a circle here. Okay, this is the circle you are observing. Here is the 3 circle, out of 3 circle here, and the radius will be 6 millimeter. So the diameter will be 6 into 2 millimeter. That means 22 millimeter. Okay. Now we will create this curve plane. So select this line and make a line here. Okay. You can mirror this line about this center line here from the mirror entities command. So select this line here and mirror about to the center line and give the dimension. The angle between this line to this line, it will be 22 millimeter, which is given here, which has been given here. It will be 22 millimeter times 3. That means we will create this part, and also this part. So it will be 22 millimeter angle. The angle will be 22 millimeter. Okay, now give the angle 22 millimeter. Okay, now connect this 2 points here by creating a center, creating a line here. Okay, now select this line, and also select this point and make them coincident. Okay, now it's time to extrude this cylinder, or you can also say it's time to extrude this circle to make the cylinder full. So how long we will extrude it? We'll extrude it to 22 millimeter. Here is 22 millimeter. So go on the extruded boss or base and select this, select here, and also select here, and give it to, and to extrude it to 22 millimeter. In upper direction, it will be one upward direction. So okay. Now show this sketch and select this front plane. Okay, and make it to normal. Now make a center line from this origin. And also make a line here. Now go on the smart dimension. Viewers, you are observing this curved line. The angle between this curved line to this line, to this center line, will be 112 degree. Now select this line and also select this inclined line, and it will be 112 degree. Now make a center line here. Now go on the center line and create a center line from this point. Okay. Now select this point and also select the circle and make them pairs relationship. The distance from this line to this line from this will be 6 millimeter. So give the dimension and select this line and also select this point. It will be 6 millimeter. Okay. Now search here, revolve surface. Revolve surface. Click on here and axis of revolution, select the center line. Okay. Now go on the extruded boss or base. Select any line of our first sketch of drawing. Select here and delete it and select. And extrude it up to surface. So select this surface. Okay. Now hide this surface here. So hide it. Now it's time to learn about the whole wizard. Whole wizard. So go on the hole widget option. This is the counter borehole of M4 size. So this is the counter borehole and asymmetric, and we will select socket head gap screw and M4 size. Now go on the position and click on here. Firstly click on, also click here and make it to normal. Select on this point. Okay. A hole have been created, but the hole inside the hole is not showing, so we have to edit this object. So go on here and edit sketch, and may also make it to normal. Viewers, you are observing the distance, the dimension between from this point to this point will be, is 4 mm. But is here any object here? Viewers, you are observing the distance from this line from this line will be 4 mm. So delete it now. Delete it and also move it. Go on the smart dimension. Distance from this point to this point will be 4 mm, which has been given on our 2D picture. So OK, and exit sketch. Viewers, are observing a counter borehole we created now. So now move it, hide it, and also this is the time for hide our first sketch of drawing. So now go on the linear pattern and click this circular pattern and parameter and select here, and the features, select this part and also select this counter borehole. Okay. There is a rounded edge. This rounded edge, this is the for getting this rounded edge we will take help from the fillet command. This fillet will be a radius of 22 mm. So go on the fillet command, select here and also select here and also select here. 22 mm. Okay. All the red fillet radius has been given on here of 1 mm. So go on the fillet command and click here and give the 1 mm of radius. So select on here. Okay. Our drawing is almost complete. Now the material is plain carbon steel has been given on the 2D picture. So select here and select this plain carbon steel. And the color, select the color. This is the okay. Viewers, you are saying our drawing is fully complete. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon